think it's the original car from the auto, one of the Autoramas. I found it in a Mecum auction, and it took us a month to figure out what the car was. I just thought it was a cool looking car. Never seen one like this. And I decided once we figured out what it was, it's like, oh, this is going to be fun to build.
And you said Mecum called it a prototype car. I mean, they didn't even know.
Mecum called it a prototype car originally, and then they changed it to a modified car because they didn't know what to call it. But they never changed it to a fiberglass, you know.
Victress S4.
Victress. No one had an idea. There's no emblems on the car. We do have an emblem in the hood and the interior now to describe it. But so I then took the car and basically we stripped it down to pure fiberglass and started rebuilding it. There was a couple little issues that I didn't like the designs for. So we did take it from a one-piece car to a two-piece with a flip front end. We modified that. We put these scoops in it. We took the doors and lengthened the doors out 4 inches on the bottom, 6 inches on the top to give it the angle. And then we had to move this hump back 6 inches.
Okay.
And then once we did that, we looked at the body line where it was coming through, and it's like, this ain't gonna work. So we ended up following the body line to the profile of the car.
Right, because the original design doesn't do that dip. It's just a through line.
It goes straight across.
Right.
Yeah, it went straight across, and we literally cut the fiberglass out and redid that. I did kind of a 300 SL chrome thing on the thing. The bottom chrome is C5 Corvette that we ended up extending it out about 8 inches.
Well, you always have to get creative with these cars.
The back is front Corvair bumpers. The back is a front 67 Mustang bumper that we cut and split. These are Volkswagen European C something.
Okay. And now I know.
Here, what we decided a scoop kind of looked cool on this thing, so I'm not a normal person, so we ended up doing this to it.
Oh, look at that.
Give it a little bit of a modern look to it.
Yeah, that's neat. And now Hugh Jorgensen, the original designer at Victress, modeled the front end off of the Aston DB4, and you've kind of made some modifications at the rear and at the front. You laid the headlights back a little bit, so it looks more like an Aston now.
We took the front grill is all original. I built the first grill with this being flush, but we didn't like where the driving lights were, so we ended up building another one and then setting these back as far as we could. I love the look of these 50 driving lights on here. And then the front bumper is a Corvair.
They look great.
Like
You'd never know.
New Corvair that we modified. These are from a 39 Ford.
Oh, I see that
Standard.
now. Okay.
Laid back.
Yeah, because the original design basically had those come almost flush with the front. Yeah.
Right. And I was looking, the whole idea of the car is, and me and my buddy Todd were talking, is I was trying to do European, but we were like American European is kind of the look I was going for the entire time. My friends couldn't understand it, but they're like, I think you're on the right track.
They understood it when it was done.
Yeah, these are 52 Chevy backup lights that we use, and then I built this from scratch.
What do we have for a power plant in this?
Power plant is a 383 Chevy stroker motor.
Oh, all right. I saw those finned valve covers earlier, and
yeah,
you need a hand on this side. Oh, you got it.
We went with I seen these years ago, and I thought they were an interesting look on them, so we went with complete fin look on it.
Oh, great job.
Mustang rack and pinions steering on it. Radiator that I don't think will ever overheat on the thing. The biggest thing we could find. Weldwood, all Weldwood brakes.
Yes, you almost kind of did a Restomod.
Right, air conditioning. Even though we don't have a real roof yet, we got a C5 frame that we built that we put in, but we don't have the material for it yet. So,
The interior is beautiful too. I like the color
yeah, the
selection.
interior. I have a 50 Ford pickup truck, which I put a different grill, different dash in. So this is the dash from here to here is from the 50 Ford, and then we built that to look like the old European style gate clusters on it.
A 4-speed?
No, it's an automatic.
Oh, is it? Okay.
It's a 700R automatic. And the funny thing is you look at all the European cars and we go, we got to have the ashtray in the middle of the console.
Yeah.
You know, it's just one of those things. Oh, and the other fun thing is we were trying to keep the seats low without a headrest. So I had the girl design this, and then we built, so it does have a headrest on it.
There you go.
So, but when it's down, you don't notice it.
Does this actually have retractable top?
It does have.
Oh, so it's not just a roadster. It actually.
No, it does have. We won't pop it.
No, we don't have to put it up. But wow, look at that.
But we do have the top for it.
This is done to a really high level. I mean, I saw photos of it along the way,
Right.
but the photos really don't do it justice. And man, you really.
And then like
You went
trying
whole
to
hog
figure
on
out
this.
these things are Corvette 64, 65 Corvette convertible systems that we modified and put in.
Fantastic. All right, Don. Well, thanks for giving us a tour of the car. Good luck with the judging and fantastic job.
Thank you, sir.
You did very well by Victress here.
Thank you.